Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do another unboxing. This time we have got a Dell 24-inch monitor. This is the S series S2421HN. Dell has got many series. It has got E, S, P and Ultra series. This is the S series, which is for normal use. So what are the features of this monitor? It has got an IPS panel, 23.8 inch display, full HD, that's 1920 by 1080. It's 3-side bezel-less. It has got a VESA mount and it has got AMD FreeSync. Without any further delay, let's get started with the unboxing. So, quite a few things over here. If we keep this aside, what do we have here? The first thing that we have is got a stand. Silver color, looks nice. Get this out of the way. Then we got some manuals, warranty card information to put aside. This is a HDMI cable. We got a, I'll say, European plug point and a UK plug point. So this is the one we're going to use. And this is probably going to go somewhere in the back. I think it will cover the VESA mount point. And what do we have here? This is probably the stand, right? So let's take this thing out. It's very nicely packed. And here is the monitor. The size of the monitor, really big, I'll say. Let's see how it looks. I'm sorry if my hand is coming in the way. Pretty decent size, I'll say. For a 24-inch monitor, I'll say. 3-side bezel legs. Looks really good. If you like my unboxing, do like and subscribe to my channel. I will do a further review of the features for this monitor. So stay tuned. Until next time, bye.